I'm a project actuary, which means I provide support to finance and business initiatives that require actuarial involvement.
I look after pricing for the home loans area at the Commonwealth Bank. What that involves is anything to do with interest rates, fee setting, or any sort of policy changes that impact the way the bank is able to price booking customers and retain them.
I specialise in general insurance, so it's very much about whether it's reserving or pricing or capital management, but also in Deloitte I work with other parts of the firm as well, so not just the actuaries but also the economists, operations people and a whole raft of different people.
I have been doing a lot of regulatory, APRA, appointed actuary, financial condition reporting type of work. As a consultant, there is a lot of diversity in what we would do, so I overlay that with mostly strategy work for government.
I've also done work for Suncorp and I've worked on an interesting project around using actuarial skills to improve the social welfare system in New Zealand.
Being quite new to the industry, I'm kind of getting my head around the traditional technical material around life insurance, doing a bit of understanding where my company operates in the playing field in insurance and in financial services, and just building those skills to then leverage that later on in life to do something outside the traditional field.
I do a lot of work around value, so how much our business is worth. So how much all the policies we've sold are going to give us in profit in the future.
Last couple of years we've been moving a lot more into the data analytics space.
Pet insurance was great because I was able to look at all the names of the pets. Cream Puff stands out for me.
It's a really great job, it's got a great breadth, but the beauty of doing an actuarial career is that I was able to use a lot of my understanding around pricing structures and how we can apply them in order to get that life cycle correct and to get the correct balance for the bank.